Good day, dear friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use MOS Word, basically, or the summary of MOS Word for beginners. So let's head to MOS Word. So we are going to do this in 12 steps. We are going to learn almost, let me say, in summary, all about MOS Word in 12 steps. First of all, for a beginner, you first have to ask yourself, what is MOS Word all about? What is it used for? Things you can do with MOS Word, and not to get confused about MOS Word. However, basically, MOS Word is for creating documents, editing and formatting documents. So this is all about MOS Word. We use it to create documents, edit, format documents. So it's about documentation. So even in its documentation or in its ability to create documents, you also gain the ability to make use of its features or its shortcuts in every other platform outside MOS Word. In your browsing experience, in the use of your laptop and all the rest. So the shortcuts will help you to get to operate your laptop quite easily. So once we get to MOS Word, first of all we have to see an interface that looks like this. In this, don't be confused about these templates that you are seeing here. So these are features of MOS Word. They are used for creating resume, CV, cards, brochure. So let's click, for example, this is blue. Okay, blue sky resume. So you can easily open it and create your resume. So this is it. Your name, address, simple, briefly get to make up a wonderful resume for yourself. You can as well as change the picture, just edit the content to create, and with the format given to you, work experience, objective, so education, communication, leadership, references. So this is just a simple way of making use of MOS Word to create resume. So, but this is not the interface I would want to choose. So let's get started. Just as I earlier said, MOS Word is all about creating, editing and formatting documents. So opening MOS Word, what's this in saying? That you can easily, let's say that on my desktop here, this MOS Word is not here. Let's say it's not here. Or maybe even if it is here, maybe it is, the icon is quite small and I wouldn't want to stress myself in searching for the MOS Word icon. I would simply go to the search bar and then type the word. This is the MOS Word, that is what it is saying. Just click on it. You will launch a new MOS Word environment, blank document. Then this is it. So at this point, all you need to do is to just, type in your words by creating your document. That is it, creating your document. Type in your words, simple. Okay. So step by step. Now we know that MOS Word is how to open a MOS Word. Type in your words. My hobby. Okay. So in a simple format, this is how to use MOS Word. So let's go back. Now at this point, on your taskbar here, let's say I want to go back to the previous document I was using, the handout document I was using. Now I wouldn't want to cancel this one. All I need to do is, neither would I want to minimize. Go to this MOS Word icon on your taskbar, place your arrow, and then you will see the options of the MOS Word, the documents you have opened previously. So I would want to choose this one. So click on it. So that is opening MOS Word for you. Now the interface. So simply I would want to go to a blank document. Okay. Now in this blank document, I want to learn about its interface, how it works. So here is the taskbar: File, Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. So it is good to know that whenever you click any of these options, it has various options below it, various tabs, various functions. So let's click this. Here is Home already. Let's click on File. Okay, back, Insert. You can see that this other taskbar, the menu is changing. Page layouts, it is continuously changing. Mailing, Review, View. So let's return to Home. So again, here is the main work, the body of the document. That is the body of the document. Here you are typing in your words. Okay, and then below is the status bar. So the status bar is where you see the page numbering. That means how many pages you've already created, one of one, and then you see your sizing. You can either increase or decrease the body of the work from here. Okay, so you can choose from this status bar whether to use full. This is full screen. Okay, this is the one I was using, so you can see. So you use this option. Sometimes when you create a document using your phone and when you import it into your laptop, you will see that it will have this feature. It will kind of display in this manner. You will be like, I want to see it like, you want to see the A4 itself. You want to see it sized. So come to the status bar. Use this option, or either you decrease or increase from here. Okay, this is for the interface. Okay, let's go to the next option, the next step, which is creating a new document. Before now, we open the MOS Word, go to blank documents, and here we are. Let's say that you also want to, at this point, I'm creating this, but I don't want to minimize, neither do I want to cancel, but I need to, I need a new environment. Simple. I'll have to click Control N. Here is a new document, blank document. So, okay. So this is about opening a new document. So in our next video, we are going to see how to type and edit text, format text, paragraph formatting, and all the rest. Do well to like, share, and comment if you enjoy my video. Thank you very much.